On Sunday evening, Google provided a more detailed response about the storage issues that have been affecting some Pixel devices after updating to Android 14. The company confirmed that the issue is impacting Pixel 6 and later models that have received the Android 14 update and have multiple users, other than the primary user, set up. This includes regular users, guests, restricted profiles, and child users. However, the issue does not affect devices with multiple Google accounts signed in within the primary user or work profiles. Google has already released a Google Play System update to help prevent the issue from being triggered on additional devices. To install the update, go to Settings, Security and Privacy System and update a Google Play System update. The latest version of the update was released on October 1, 2023. For devices that are currently unable to access media storage, Google is working on a system update that will repair the issue and restore access to media files without requiring a factory reset. The company is also investigating methods to recover data for devices that are stuck in a Pixel is starting boot loop due to the issue. However, Google cautioned that this is still a work in progress, and it will provide more information as soon as it is available. In the meantime, Google is advising all users, including those who have factory reset their devices, to avoid creating or logging into secondary users on their devices until the OTA update is available. Google ended its statement by apologizing for the inconvenience the issue has caused and thanking users for their patience.